Understanding MIG Welding, a comprehensive guide. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic: MIG welding. This term might be unfamiliar to many of you, but don't worry, we're here to explore it together, breaking it down into simple, understandable parts. Whether you're interested in engineering, curious about different professions, or just love learning new English terms, this video is for you. MIG welding stands for metal inert gas welding. It's a type of welding process used to join two pieces of metal together. The word welding means to fuse or join materials, usually metals, by applying heat. In MIG welding, an electric arc forms between a consumable wire electrode and the metal workpiece, melting the metals and joining them as they cool. Now, you might wonder why it's called metal inert gas. The term refers to the use of an inert gas, which flows from a gas tank through the welding gun. This gas protects the welding area from air contaminants during the welding process. Inert means that the gas does not react with other substances easily, which is crucial in creating a strong and clean weld. MIG welding is significant in various industries, from car manufacturing to construction. It's known for its speed and versatility. Unlike some other welding methods, MIG welding can be used on different types of metals and thicknesses, making it a highly preferred method in many scenarios. Let's look at some key terms related to MIG welding. Electrode, a wire that conducts current and melts into the weld. Arc, the spark that melts the metal. Welding gun, a tool that holds the electrode and directs the gas. Workpiece, the pieces of metal being welded together. Understanding these terms can help you grasp the process of MIG welding better. I hope this video has illuminated the world of MIG welding for you. It's a fascinating process that combines science, skill, and technology. Whether you're a student, a professional, or simply an English language enthusiast, knowing terms like these can enrich your vocabulary and understanding of various fields. Thank you for watching, and keep exploring the wonders of the English language.